In today's video, we're going to talk about the Mercedes-Benz P0521 Engine Code. If your check engine light is on and you're seeing this code, make sure to watch till the end. The P0521 code means engine oil pressure sensor, switch range, performance problem. In simple terms, the oil pressure sensor is working, but the readings are not within the expected range. Here are the most common causes: 1. Faulty oil pressure sensor. 2. Incorrect oil viscosity. 3. Low or dirty engine oil, for clogged oil passages. 5. Wiring issues or poor connections. 6. Engine wear. If your car has a P0521 code, you may notice: 1. Check engine light on. 2. Oil pressure warning light on. 3. Unusual engine noise, for reduced engine performance. 5. In some cases, engine stalling. It indicates that the engine computer reads a signal from the sensor that is either too high or too low in relation to the manufacturer's parameters. Here are 2 of the most practical solutions to fix Mercedes-Benz's P0521 error code. So here are 2 of the most practical solutions to fix Mercedes-Benz's P0521 error code. Do not ignore this code. Incorrect oil pressure readings can lead to serious engine damage over time. The P0521 code is usually related to oil quality, sensor issues, or incorrect readings. Proper diagnosis will help you fix it quickly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below which engine code you want next.